Property management is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and yet contractors and property managers are wasting time and resources in the tendering process. Tendering is a way to get the most competitive price through a blind bidding and is legally required in Ontario for condominium projects over $1,000. Currently, a property manager, if they have a problem, they have to go out to the site, they have to jot down notes, take measurements, they have to take pictures, then they have to head back to the office, then they have to write emails out to the contractors, and then they have to sort through the tenders they receive back, but who can they trust since fraud costs the industry hundreds of millions of dollars a year? Introducing TenderTool, an app that simplifies the communication between contractors and property managers, connecting them and making the process seamless. So how does it work? Well, the property manager can select what property they're on. They can then select the issue that they're having with the property. They can then input the relevant information, the measurements, the photos, and the deadline associated with this. And then they can select from their list of trusted contractors who they would like to get bids from. And it's all there, all in one place, simply communicated. There's no longer the confusion between the contractor and the property management, the back and forth, the lost emails. Now, we can solve this problem, but is there money in it? And the answer to that is yes. It's an $82 billion industry with $66 billion in operating expenses. There's $1 billion lost to fraud and even more in inefficiencies. There's 1.6 million property managers in North America and even more contractors. There's 27 property management firms in the region of Waterloo, which is just a small slice of the market that TenderTool is trying to address. Our competition has complex software, whereas we are focusing on a simple and mobile platform for tendering solutions. TenderTool is a business-to-business enterprise, and we'll be focusing on property managers and their associated contractors. So where are we now? We have a functioning Android app, and if we were to win the 5K, we would use it to make it a multi-platform product. But more importantly, we're partnered with Sanderson Management and their 25 associated contractors, of which the majority have agreed to pay a $95 per month user fee. We are a dynamic, hardworking team with experience in the industry that is ideally situated to solve these problems. TenderTool. We drastically simplify tendering by making communication clear and easy. This is what we do.